Video I show you how to fix TikTok message not sending problem or message not send problem on TikTok. For fixing this problem, go to settings, then go to apps, then go to see all apps. Now search for TikTok, click on TikTok, click on force stop, click on OK. Now click on storage and cache, clear storage, then delete. Now go to Play Store. Now search for TikTok. Up to date your TikTok app if available any update version. Now restart your phone. After restart your phone, now open TikTok app. Hello. Skip. Now log into your account. Enter your password. Now click on next. Now go to inbox. Now send message someone. Now I hope that this method fixed TikTok message not sending problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.